Okay, this section will be on the division of fractions. Now, let's start off. There are three ways you can express division. You can have 6 divided by 2. You can have 6 divided by 2. Or you can have 6 divided by 2. We see this in the earlier grades, middle or the later elementary school, and then as a fraction, we have 6 divided by 2. Okay, now, the point is this. At this stage of the game, either way you see this expressed, you should follow what's going on. Okay, now, let's try some division of fractions. Let's suppose I have 5 7s, and I want to divide that by 2/3. The first thing we're going to do is rewrite this in another form. 5 7s divided by 2/3. Now, what do we want to do? We want to get a 1 in our denominator. So the question becomes, what can I multiply my denominator by to get 1? Okay, the expression we use, we multiply it by its reciprocal. What does reciprocal mean? If you do somebody a favor, they do you a favor, you reciprocate, you give back. A reciprocal is something that in mathematics you use, the product will give you 1. The reciprocal of 2/3 is 3/2. Now, what we've discussed before, the only number you can multiply a number by without changing its value is 1. But 1 can be written in any number divided by itself with the one exception of 0. That's the one mathematical sin. You cannot divide by 0. So as long as you don't have 0, you can divide that number by itself and will give you 1. So to multiply this by 1, we write our 1 as the reciprocal of the denominator divided by the reciprocal of the denominator. Now when we multiply the denominator, because we have reciprocals, this will give me 1. And on the numerator, I will have 5 7 times 3/2. And we finish, we will have 15 over 14. Now, most of the time in school, they will tell you if you have to divide a fraction, all you have to do is multiply by the reciprocal. Many times they don't tell you why you do that or what makes it permissible to do that. They just tell you to do that. Well, in that case, you are able to compute well, like a computer can do, but you don't understand what's going on. These steps right here in the middle explain to you why you multiply by the reciprocal. And at this stage of the game, we want our young people to understand the logic behind it, the reason behind it, and the analysis behind it, because in learning this skill, that will help them as they proceed with their education, not only in mathematics, but in other courses as well. So at this point, we're going to ask you to go to your exercises, and there's some illustrations on how you can do this, and so enjoy and have fun. Thank you.